For there to be sustainable change in your trades business, you've got to manage yourself and your time as an owner and leader of the business. I want to share with you one of the strategies that's really simple. Identify the 20% of the stuff that you should be doing more of in the business. Identify 80% of the stuff that you need to let go or delegate. Make a list over 2 weeks' time of every activity that you do throughout the workday and rate it 1 to 10 on how fun that is for you to do, 1 to 10 on how much skill it requires. The first area on this matrix that you should plan on handing off those tasks and stop doing them yourself as the owner or the leader of the business are right here. What we're looking for as a coach when it comes to time is 4 to 5 hours a week so that you can invest that time specifically to work on the business, not in the business.